You ready to go to Gili Air?
I am absolutely ready and excited.
Go, go.
Gili Air, one of the 3 small islands located in between Lombok and Bali. It's so small that you can actually walk around it in 2 hours.
Alright, let's go and do something.
Yeah, this looks nice. Ruby's Cafe, Doya. That's where we're gonna go. You don't have nasi goreng?
Sorry?
You don't have nasi goreng?
No, we don't have. So, nothing nasi goreng.
Seems like the menu has changed. It's not the same as on the TripAdvisor.
She's ready for it.
This one.
Yeah.
Will you order?
No, we haven't decided yet.
Maybe you order podri?
No, not yet.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I think we're gonna go somewhere else. Are they struggling? Is it good though? Hey guys, I just want to recommend you quickly the place to eat. It's called Warung Bamboo, and the dish you want to go for is martabak. Martabak is basically like eating the middle of the pizza. It's so nice, rich, and there's a lot of cheese too.
So where do you want to go?
So after a delightful nap, we decided to move our asses and go to the west of the island to maybe play some frisbee. So the swing seems to be a very popular choice among the tourists. We're just waiting for our turn. That's the cure. Snorkeling from the beach was fun. However, if you want to see more marine life, you gotta go out with the boat, as you will see later in this vlog. While me and Doya were snorkeling, when we came out to the water, I noticed the wind was pretty strong. For Gili Islands, definitely very strong. I wasn't expecting to do it, but yes, I am. I'm going kitesurfing. Got all my gear set up. Now let's go head to the north of the island, to the place called the Sunrise Beach, and from there I will try to launch my kite and have a nice session. A little bit further out I can see on the water the white top, white wave, so that's a good sign. It's probably blowing around 14, maybe 15 knots. Super excited. Okay, so everything is set up, ready to go. But the wind, there's no wind, it just died, so while I'm waiting I'm just gonna fly the drone, get some nice footage, and hopefully we'll pick up later. Okay, so it looks like it started blowing again. Let's go kiting! So after 2 days of laziness, we decided to go on a snorkeling trip. Here we are on the boat with 40 other people. Well, but hopefully it doesn't matter. There's a lot of room in the water. right? Are you ready?
And from here you have to swim this way, okay? On this place you can see a lot of fish, you can see any kind of fish, also you can see the turtle already, yeah.
So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, remember to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more kite surfing and travel videos. I'll see you in the next one, guys.